action. We're back in the action, boys.
Hey.
Brought me in here. I don't know if you guys remember Cameraman Ian. I had to bring him in, bro. I got heat stroke in Toronto, so you can kind of like fill up
you've been weird all day.
Yeah, man, I'm not feeling too hot. Boys, first off, we got a jewelry mystery box. Damn, I said, do I sound annoying right now? That's why I haven't filmed the past couple of days. Okay. My voice been effed up. Anyway, does that come with heat stroke, or do I just have the C word?
Oh,
I'm just kidding. I tested just to make sure, bro. Anyway, boys, back in action. We have a mystery box from Amazon with jewelry. Pretty stoked about that. Viewer mail right here. We're just gonna open up real quick. Oh, thumbs up, comment down below, by the way, guys. Let's get back in the algorithm in some way, if that's even possible anymore. I don't really let people send me things anymore because we've gotten some dangerous things in the mail.
Yeah, we got some weird stuff.
But this one right here, I thought we'd just open up real quick because I'm pretty excited for it. Then we'll get into the jewelry mystery box. Ian, you got a knife on you?
Why would I have a knife?
I don't know, you're a hunter. You usually carry pocket knives, you guys.
Yeah, I always just carry a big knife.
No? Alright, well, came over with an axe the other day, so...
Well, I did do that.
I'm gonna go grab one.
I mean, we were having a bonfire, so...
Don't say that part, it's not as fun.
Yeah. Well.
Alright, boys, first off, viewer mail right here. I'm pretty excited for this. I appreciate... Oh!
What?
It's like an action figure or something. That's really random to say. Electric bubble gun!
Bubble gun?
Yeah!
What?
Yeah!
What do you miss that?
I don't know, I've seen these before, I'm pretty sure, bro. Hold up. This is random, bro. I appreciate it. Oh, it doesn't look as cool on the photo.
You just crushed that thing open.
Oh. Okay, we got a bubble gun. How much time do we spend in this, bro?
Okay, that's much less cool in the package.
Yeah, no. That's pretty sick. Is it battery powered? I'm pretty sure it is. It's gotta be, right?
Yeah, it's like there's a little thing here. Oh, yeah.
Okay, let me empty up my remotes. I'm gonna grab some batteries. Ian, take off the camera, bro. We're just gonna light this up real quick. Bubbles aren't bad for a new basement, are they?
Why would bubbles be bad for the basement?
I don't know, because, like, the things fall down. Like, does it wreck the floors? It might stay in the floor, Ian, is what I'm saying. You never know. Let me actually turn that off.
I don't know. I don't really blow a lot of bubbles in my basement.
This is sick. I've never had a bubble gun. Why would you send this? I love it. Boys, right back. Ian, turn it off. Alright, batteries are cheap, boys. Sorry, this is just, I don't really expect this. It's gonna take up some of the video.
Yeah, there's not one functioning remote left in this house.
This is sick. Yeah, I had to empty out my Xbox remotes, too. You asked for 3, bro. This little thing really needs 3. It's kind of pissing me off a little bit.
That does seem like a lot of power for that.
Put them in my pocket. Where do you put the bubbles, bro? I just looked. It didn't come with instructions, which I wouldn't read anyway.
Yeah, no. No chance.
Where the frick would you put them?
Isn't there something you just pour it into?
No. Okay, hold up, boys. You know what? If you take that off, look, cartridge right there. I don't know.
Whoa, man! You just poured.
It doesn't make any sense.
You just poured that right into the electronics, man. Like, there's.
Where else would you pour it? Oh man, my freaking throat hurts too much for this.
I don't know where, but I don't think that's the place.
Say hello to my little friend.
Okay, yeah, Brand's gone upstairs to get some towels, but I think I actually figured out how this works. You just like pour the fluid into this. Brand already spilled it all, and then you're supposed to, I think you just dip it in, and then it just like holds the fluid and you can spray. Hey, Brand, I think I actually got this. I think I might actually. Jesus, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Ooh, man, that was. Oh yeah, there's so much fluid on that floor.
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh man, is that your bad knee?
Yeah, one of them.
Anyway, I think...
Oh, you got it working!
Kinda.
What'd you do? You poured it in that freaking thing, didn't you?
We're pretty much out of fluid now, but... It's all...
On to the next. Ooh.
Yeah. You're okay. You sure you're okay?
Yep. Alright, thanks for the bubble blower. Bumped up the knee, that's alright. Boys, onto the Amazon mystery box. Supporter also sent this. Main thing, I guess, they wanted me to diamond test it. I guess I have a diamond tester. Also, just supported wanted me to review it. So, I have no idea what it is. Mystery box from Amazon. I guess, actually, Ian, go in there, grab the diamond tester. It should be in that.
Oh, yeah.
Right there. Boys, I'm kind of excited. Let's see what it is.
Wow,
I asked if he wanted it. What's up?
You haven't even broken this thing. That's...
No, it's a brand new one.
I'm used to everything you own being like kind of broken.
The classic diamond tester. We sell them on NameBranFam.com, by the way, boys. Also, two free pieces of jewelry for the price of one shipping. Link down below. Go check it out, boys. All right, let's get into this. I talked to them about it. They actually don't want it back. I said I could ship it back to you. I don't really know what that was about, but maybe I'll send it to one of you guys. We'll see if I like it a lot first, you know? No, it's selfish. I'll probably send it to one of you guys. All right, boys, let's go. Okay, we got a pendant.
Oh, nice.
It's kind of solid. I can tell you right now it's not going to pass. Maybe it will pass the diamond tester.
Oh, man. It doesn't come with a key?
That's pretty sick. Sorry, my energy's not up about this, boys. No, it doesn't come with a key. I swear All right, cool. So a little diamond thing. I should have even asked how much he spent on the damn thing, boys. My head, this is why Ian's here. That fall didn't really help my head too much either. Whatever the hell. Heat stroke, we're not sure.
Yeah, there's something.
Could be worst case scenario, but we won't think about that. Cool little piece. Let's diamond test it, Ian, get her heated up. No, this is sick, man. Thank you for sending this over. It is nice quality. I swear we've seen some stuff kind of like it before. Or maybe I'm thinking of, yeah, I'm thinking of that Juice WRLD necklace. I don't know, the diamonds remind me of that. You know that spiky chain? That wasn't Juice WRLD, what was that? That was Trippy Red. Way back in the day, boys. Diamond tester engaged. We gotta shut this off. I'm about to pass out. This was the request. It's damn soapy, bro. You put it on the desk or where's all the soap?
Everything is soapy down here, man.
Covered in soap, man. I got some on my freaking ears.
It just spreads.
Oh, dude, did it? No.
It's a little cheap.
No, damn. Did it say moisturizer? I don't even know. Boys, a little mystery unboxing. That's all I can handle today. You gotta get out, bro. Our time is done, sorry.
Okay.
No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, appreciate you guys for watching. It might be a couple days. I think I have to get a little more better before we start putting on more content. I think it's really hitting me right now.
Yeah, you need to drink some water, man.
I definitely need to drink some water. Appreciate it. Peace.